Hey everyone, it's Ronnie with Happy Trailers, and today I'm at our Tulsa, Oklahoma location to talk about the Big Tex 14EH equipment hauler. Built for crews that move skid steers, mini excavators, tractors, and materials every day, this trailer is loaded with features and ready to work. With a 15,400-pound GVWR, an 8-inch I-beam frame, and mega ramps for quick and easy loading. Let's get into it. Up front, you have an adjustable 2 5/16 Demco Easy Latch coupler, a 12,000-pound drop leg jack, sealed wiring harness, and a Fastway zip breakaway cable for easy hookups. This equipment trailer comes standard with a mega-sized lockable front toolbox built into the tongue so that you can store chains, binders, and straps, keeping them secure and out of the weather. This toolbox is so big, you can even fit a spare tire in there. The deck is 18 feet long and 83 inches wide with a treated pine floor, and it comes equipped with a front stop rail to help stage pallets and attachments. The removable diamond plate fenders give you extra clearance when you need it. You have stake pockets along the sides and 6 5/8-inch D-rings so you can tie down equipment quickly and be on your way. Under the deck we have an 8-inch seamless I-beam frame for a durable, polished look with 3-inch channel cross members on 16-inch centers. For our running gear, the 14EH features two 7,000-pound axles with forward self-adjusting electric brakes and two 35/80/16 Load Range E radial tires on 8-lug wheels. This setup delivers the control and durability you expect while keeping maintenance simple. At the rear, the 14EH has made loading simple. This unit is spec'd with a 40-inch dovetail and mega ramps. The spring-assisted flip-over mega ramps gives you a wide footprint with increased support and stability for loading medium-duty equipment. The engineers at Big Tex put a lot of thought into designing these ramps in a way that supports the weight of your equipment going up that dovetail so that there's less stress on the frame and less force on the tongue to lift the tow vehicle. There are plenty of wide ramps on the market, but few function as well as these. Come check out the Big Tex 14EH equipment hauler at our Tulsa, Oklahoma location, or give us a call about delivery options, or check us out online at happytrailers.com for more information on financing, parts, service, and more. You'll be happy you did. See ya!